In numerous cases, diarrhea and constipation are caused by a toxic accumulation in the colon. It is suggested that you should do a colon cleanse sometimes, which will eradicate the excess waste and toxins from the colon and thus prevent various digestive issues. Colon cleansing is necessary for overall health, and according to the natural health proponent and best-selling author Kevin Trudeau, one needs to have 2 to 3 bowel movements daily to avoid many diseases. Food that does not properly digest moves too slowly via the system and gets stuck in the intestines, leading to rancid stools that release toxins into the bloodstream. Therefore, by cleansing the colon, one decreases the risk of colorectal cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, and chronic diarrhea. Chiropractor and acupuncturist Dr. Ben Kim recommends the consumption of enough food at meals as a way to stimulate the stretch receptors in the stomach, which activates intestinal waves to move chunks of waste along together. When stools pass easily through the intestines, they are well formed and can be eliminated faster. The following colon cleanse recipe contains natural ingredients only, and its use will cleanse it in a simple and easy way. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, 1 cup of apple juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of pure water, half a teaspoon of sea salt. Instructions: boil the water, and then pour it into a mug. Add the salt and stir until it dissolves. Next, pour the apple, ginger, and lemon juice, and stir once again. Drink this remedy on an empty stomach in the morning, before your breakfast. It is rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, and it will strengthen the immune system, stop infections, and detoxify the system.